NG Vartak English Medium High School and Junior College, Virar East, is one of the best schools in Virar. Every sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. We should wake up and enjoy the sun. A very good morning to one and all. My dear students, as we know that no programs can be started without remembering the creator of this whole world. So let us start our day with prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes, and be ready for the prayer.
यं ब्रह्मा वरुणीन्द्ररुद्रमरुता सून्वन्ति देव्यसवै वेदै साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदै गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावसिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तान् विदुसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा।
Put your hands down and open your eyes. A small positive thought can change our life. So, our today's thought for the day is all the wonders you seek are within yourself, meaning you are enough and perfect. You have everything within you to achieve your goals. Amazing fact: hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. General knowledge is the key of success. So today's general knowledge question is: which bird cannot fly? Answer: ostrich, ostrich. Vocabulary word: decisive, decisive, meaning able to make choices very quickly and confidently. Sentence: you must be decisive and persistent to succeed in your goals. Dear students, it's time for meditation, so let's get ready for it. Dear students, sit straight, put your hands on your laps, close your eyes, relax yourself, and listen to the music. and slowly open your eyes. How are you feeling now? Very much fresh and energetic. Wow, great. Have a nice day. Thank you.